Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Allium Sativum. Full name Allium Sativum. Common name garlic. Short name Allium Sat. Source: fresh white bulbs. Vegetable kingdom. Pathogenesis: acts on intestinal mucous membrane, increasing peristalsis. Relation with heat and cold of Allium sativa. Not available. It is not available in any book. Constitution of Allium sativa. Being an acute remedy, consideration of constitution not so important. Temperament of Allium sativa, it is also not available. Miasms of Allium sativa. Psora. Diathesis of Allium sativa. Adapted to fleshy person used to high living, suffering from dyspepsia and catarrhal affections. Worse: change of temperature, evening and night, walking, pressure, drinking bad water, gluttony. Gluttony means a habit of excessive eating. Better sitting bent. Generalities of Allium Sat. It acts on intestinal mucous membranes, increasing peristalsis. Adapted to fleshy persons used to high living and suffering from dyspepsia and catarrhal affection. Persons who used to eat a great deal more, especially meat, than they drink. Digestion goes out of order from slightest error in diet. It has vasodilatory properties. Vasodilatory means dilatation of vessels through which blood flowing. This is artery, veins. These are called vasodilators. Actually, they are receptacles of things. And vasodilatory property means actually the property of inflating that particular artery and veins. Acts better on meat eaters than strict vegetarians. Mental symptoms of Allium sativa: fear that they will never get well, nor bear any medicine. Fear of being poisoned. Want many things, pleased with nothing. Head symptoms of Allium sativa: vertigo while reading, head aches before menses, seizures afterwards, dandruff. The picture of dandruff is shown here. Face symptoms of Allium Sat: spots on face, lips dry. Eye symptom of Allium Sat: much burning and smarting. Profuse bland lacrimation. Bland means having no corrosive or no cutting effect. Worse from coughing. Want to rub the eyes. Near objects seem distant while yawning. Ear symptoms of Allium Sat: aching extending to throat. Nose symptoms of Allium Sat: frequent violent sneezing. Coryza with acrid fluent discharge with burning and smarting in the nose. Nose drips. Sensitive to odor of flower and the skin of peaches. Nose drips. Sensitive to odor, flower oh sorry, and increases of skin already read out. Acrid discharge when singing. Face symptoms of Allium sativa. Paralysis of left side of the face. Look at the picture on the right hand side. Paralysis of left side of face. Mouth symptoms of Allium SAT. Much sweetish saliva after meals and at night. Tongue pale. Papillae red. Papillae are lying on the tongue. Very small bud-like on the tongue. That is called papillae. Sensation of hair on tongue or mouth. Stomach symptoms of Allium SAT. Voracious appetite. Desire for butter. Complaints from bad water. Slightest error in diet disturbs the stomach. Feeling of some cold and or hot sensation, hot ascending along the esophagus. What is hot ascending? That is hot something hot ascending along the esophagus. Female symptoms of Allium sativa. Menses profuse. Soreness of vulva and thighs. Mammary swollen, tender during menses. Swelling of breast after weaning. Wean means breastfeeding, stopping of breastfeeding actually. Respiratory symptoms of Allium SAT. Cough in the morning with much difficult expectoration. Cough when smoking. Bronchiectasis with fetid sputum. Hemoptysis. Actually, bronchiectasis is a very serious disease of bronchus in the lung, and there are very few medicines which can cure bronchiectasis. Allium sativa is one of them. And also hemoptysis. Hemoptysis just coming out of blood from mouth, as we see in, say, case of tuberculosis, etc. That is hemoptysis. Extremity symptom Allium sativa. Pain in hips. Pain in psoas and iliacus muscles. Worse, crossing legs. Complementary medicine is arsenic alb. I will just again I will go back a little bit to remember to just keep stressing on this stomach symptoms of Allium sativa. Voracious appetite, desire for butter. Complaint from bad water. Slightest error in diet disturbs the stomach. Slightest error in diet disturbs the stomach. Feeling of some cold and or hot ascending along the esophagus. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. Any problem, please write it in the comment section. I would certainly attend.